In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in a Nissan Pathfinder key fob. All you'll need to get this process done is a small-sized flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, or you were thinking of getting one online anyway, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. There are a couple different versions of this device. I have the 5 and the 4 button here. I think there's a 6 and a 3 button as well. They're all the same exact device, and the process to open them up and change the battery is the same as well. So just go ahead and grab your device, flip it over, and find this little latch there on the back and hold it down while you pull out your internal key. You can set that to the side, and then looking over here, you can see that indentation right there on the bottom of the device. Put your flathead screwdriver in to that area and kind of just push it down and gently twist. Twist until you hear a crack and you can see that it is starting to open up on this side. And then stop twisting here and actually come down into that opening and just work your way down, twisting until you can pull it apart with your fingers. From here, we're just going to use the same flathead screwdriver to gently lift the battery up. Try to get under it and pry or lift it up out of place. And then when we're putting the new battery in there, once again, it is a CR2032. The positive side that has the text on it should be facing down. So you'll just push it into place and it'll snap in there, positive side down. And then you can just put the two halves back together and squeeze. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to drop us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we'll have you covered here on this channel with a tutorial just like this one. And you can also check us out over at our website, where we have all this information and more. And that site is FobBattery.com.